Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sutrefon. In today's video I want to show you how I make tilapia fish. So this is all my ingredient which I'm going to use in this tilapia fish, but we are not going to grill this fish. So just watch me and see how I make my fish, and after you watch and give it a try, just leave your comment and let me know how you make it. So let's get into it. So now I have two tilapia fish is washed already. So I bought two tilapia, so which is washed, clean already. I have two tomato. This is my chili. If you know you don't eat chili, you can skip this, but I cannot eat fish without chili. And this is amount of chili I'm going to use in this. And I have one lemon. I have my rosemary leaves. I have one, this is Maggi, no cube. I'm using no cube. This is my garlic, so I'm going to use this garlic, all of it. So this is my ginger. So now the next thing we are going to do now is to blend it. So right now we're going to put everything into the blender. So here we have our fish after we finish blending. So we have our fish. I'm gonna just cut it. So right now I'm going to boil my fish. So I will add salt. So I will squeeze my lemon into the fish while it's cooked. So just drop it inside, let it cook like that. So let it steam for about 3 minutes, then we will come back to it. So guys, now we are going to remove our fish. You have to be careful so that the fish will not break into pieces. So now we are going to transfer our mix into the pot. So just rinse it. Now we are going to add our fish. So we are going to cover it. So we'll come back in the next 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, this is how the fish look. So I'm gonna take it down now. So let's serve it and see the end result. So guys, that is how my fish came out. As you can see, it tastes very delicious. So the sauce, you need to mix it together. So guys, this is how it came out. If you want to give it a try this way, you can give it a try, but this is very delicious. It tastes very delicious. I like it, the spicy, everything mixed together. It's wow. Just give it a try and let me know how you make your own boiled fish with sauce like this. Just let me know how you do yours. Thank you so much for watching. If you know this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to help someone. If you know you want to lose weight, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so just go check the link out and you will get a discount. So just don't forget to follow the link and get your product and leave your comment and let me know if you purchased the product or not. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. Bye.